Hi folks, if you're planning to write PTE exam recently, then this video is for you. What is the trend of PTE academic essay writing topic in these days? What different and most repetitive essay writing topics are appearing in the PTE academic exam? Either this is PTE academic or PTE core or any other. In this video, we will discuss all the PTE essay writing topics into 10 different segments. And I will discuss that how to get the model answer of these latest PTE essay writing topics. Welcome to Super Achiever Abroad Education. I am the master trainer of PTE exam. My name is Shobhit Tandon. So let's start. The first category is education and technology. In this category, three different questions are entailed. One is online education is replacing traditional classroom learning. Do you agree or disagree? Second, should students be allowed to use mobile phones and tablets in classroom? Third, is artificial intelligence a threat or a support to education? I suggest you watch this video till end because at end you will get the model answer of all these topics. The category, the second category of essay writing topic is globalization and culture. And again, in this category, three different type of questions are reappearing very frequently. Number one, globalization affects cultural identity. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Second, learning foreign languages is essential in the modern world. Do you agree? Third, is cultural exchange through tourism beneficial or harmful? Discuss both views. Third category is environment and sustainability. Climate change is the most serious problem facing the world today. Do you agree? This is the first question which in this today. This is the first question in this category which is in trend in these days. Second question, individual efforts cannot have the environment, only government action can. To what extent do you agree? Third, should countries be forced to reduce carbon emissions? To what extent do you agree like this? Okay, so now, do you need the model answer of these questions? If yes, then click on the description. There you will get the links related to the model answer of these type of questions. And please do not forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel and to like this video. Thank you.